guys, hope so you all will be fine. In this short video you will learn how can you create a pin on Pinterest. For this you have to open your Pinterest on your mobile phone. This is the home page. Now you have to tap on this plus icon in the bottom of the page. Now tap on the pin. Here you have to select a picture which you want to upload. You have to give a title of this picture. For example, I give Sassy Queen. You have to add a description according to this picture. If you want to add a link, you can also add here. You have to give them tags. You can add the tags according to your post. Now tap on done. If you want to schedule this post, you can also schedule from here. Now go to the advanced settings. Here you can allow the comments and also allow them the recommendations. Now tap on this create. Here you can see your post is uploaded. So I have told you all the information about how can you create a pin on Pinterest. If this video helps you, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos.